मैं वहां पे क्यों बैठूं इतनी दूर? गाइज ऐसे ही होने वाला है आज का इंटरव्यू। ये प्लीज फोटोग्राफर्स कहाँ पे? पहले ये शॉट ले लो अच्छे से, प्यार से। जोर से चिल्लाओ यार। मैं आ जाऊं? पक्का? नहीं 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 सर, सर अब दोनों की शादी हो चुकी है, अब तो गलत होगा। Okay.
Firstly, hi guys. This is something that we didn't expect. So many people to be here. So this is really awesome because our film Animal is coming out on 1st of December, and Spotify has been kind enough to host this event with Janice and all of us, the entire musical talent and singers and composers and Mr. Moneybags himself, Mr. Bhushan Kumar. So our music is being launched today, so we're very excited about that. And take it away, Janice.
Okay, so I'm wondering why Lord Bobby, guys, everyone knows we call him Lord Bob. Zaddy, like it's like with feeling.
Like sexy zaddy.
Yeah, Zaddy.
Such a zaddy.
Bobby Zaddy.
Yeah, man, I'm a zaddy.
Oh, okay. Ranveer also wants to be called Zaddy, guys. I'm sorry, Ranveer Zaddy. It's a little off for me to say, guys. Okay, so as you guys know, I love playing games, and of course I brought a game for you guys. But कहानी में twist ये है कि the questions that I ask Ranveer, Bobby will answer, and the questions that I ask Bobby, Ranveer will answer. Cool? Okay, let's cue that up. Alright, Ranveer, which song do you think Bobby Deol sings in the shower?
So you're saying this question he'll answer?
Yeah, no, you have to answer for Bobby. So the question is, which song do you think Bobby Deol sings in the shower?
I don't know about him, but I definitely do this. तेरी अदाओं पे मरता हूँ, love तुझे love मैं करता हूँ. And his amazing hair and those glasses, and also that, no? बेताबिया.
Wait. I think we have a song. Guys, do we have the song? Can we play the song? Ranveer, chal. You.
मोबाइल नीचे ले।
कोई नहीं स्टेप. तम्मा तम्मा का स्टेप इसमें करिए.
I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. एक और स्टेप है, करें?
कौन सा?
एक और है. गाना बजाएं? रणवीर का गाना.
ओ अंकल।
यार मैं आप लोगों को
ओ
एक बात
अंकल।
बता दूं, ये गाना 2013 में रिलीज हुआ था और मैं जहाँ भी जाता हूँ ये गाना मेरे पीछे आता है. मैं अभी 41 इयर्स का हूँ, मेरे से नहीं होता ये सब, मेरी पीठ टूट जाती है. तो प्लीज़ मैं सब इवेंट मैनेजर्स से ये बात आज मैं आपको कह रहा हूँ कि प्लीज़ ये गाने पे मुझे मत नचवाना, कोई स्लो गाना प्ले करना.
अच्छा, मैं स्लो गाना मैं भिजवाती हूँ. अर्जुन रेडी?
अरे जैनिस, ये डांसिंग वाली पिक्चर नहीं है.
अरे बट
हमें स्ट्रिक्ट इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिए बाय द डायरेक्टर कि आप प्लीज स्टेज पे नहीं डांस करना.
किसने कहा?
हमारे डायरेक्टर संदीप बाबू.
डायरेक्टर ना क्यों?
क्योंकि पता नहीं इमेजिंग खराब हो गई पिक्चर की.
इमेज खराब होगी. चलो अगला सवाल करते हैं. ओके, Ranveer, since you guys know each other really well, what do you think is the name of Bobby's workout Spotify playlist?
Workout playlist. It should be called Lord Bobby होगी ना? Lord Bobby.
Okay, so Lord Bobby, same question to you. What do you think is the name of Ranveer's Spotify workout playlist?
Animal.
Oh, do you work out like an animal now?
Janice.
I have to
Sexy
get-
talk is acting.
Okay, I think I should just control myself. Okay, Bobby, what is Ranveer's favorite song in the film?
Do I answer that?
No, Bobby has to answer for you.
I don't know what it's being titled. It hasn't still come out. It should be coming out today, right?
जो बिपराग बाजी हमारे साथ है
I love that song.
He's right here.
Okay, guys, so it's an unreleased song, am I right?
Yes, it's an unreleased song, and I think my sons, they just love that song. Imagine that age, they love that song, the lyrics and the music and the tune. And whilst we were shooting that song, when I was standing in front of him, I could
So
see.
you were not really standing in front of him, you were beating me up.
I was beating the shit out of him, but I could see the lyrics, the song in his eyes. That's how beautiful the song is, and that's how he felt it while performing in that action sequence, and I think it was just very mesmerizing.
Thank you, Baji. It's actually because of
Guys, we have Biplak in the house, so if you could please stand so that the fans could see you. Biplak, everyone! Okay, but you know, guys, one of the things I feel like has been through and through the promotions we've been seeing is the fact that there is this bromance going on between the two of you all, right? I want to know, I know that of course you've given many interviews talking about how you grew up on his films and all that, but when did you sort of fall in love with him as in felt like Bobby to is like Meri Jaan?
I think I've met Bobby sir over many years, you know, but at social gatherings and parties and all of that. But there was always an instant connect. I think our personalities are very similar. We are inherently, I guess, shy people. We are introvertish.
You're shy.
Not with you, but listen, you're going to give it out that there is some history and all that.
It's just that, you know, I mean, I've seen Ranveer actually grow up. In
Yeah,
many
you've
ways.
always said he's your favorite actor.
And I've seen him when he was not an actor, and I used to always meet him, and he was always so grounded and so down to earth and humble. I think the upbringing both of us have got in our lives, and our love for our families, I think, kind of bonds us more. And just his work, you know, I mean, I was just watching him. I didn't fall in love with him because of his work. I fell in love with him because of the person he is, but I'm a big fan of his work. I mean, he's my favorite actor.
Which is your favorite Ranbir Kapoor film?
Animal.
Oh, very smart, love it. Are you also going to say the same thing?
No, my absolute favorite is Gupt. And
Oof.
like a lot of people out here who saw Gupt, the kind of joy we had by telling people Kajol is the killer before they saw the film
90s
was
kids,
just
90s
amazing.
kids, put your hands up. Hands up, hands up.
तू
Kajol is-
picture देखने जा रहा है? हाँ, Kajol is the killer.
Gen Z guys, have you all seen Goop? Goop देखिए? Not bad, देखिए. Okay, but Bobby, you have been married for a while. You have a son now who's in his 20s. Ranbir is relatively newly married. He has a newborn baby. Any advice that you feel like you could give him as someone who's seen it all and done it all?
I don't think anyone can advise you about how to be a parent. I think it comes naturally. I think every parent goes through their own way of dealing with the experience of having a child, and I think that's how it was with us when we were growing up, when our parents, the way they treated us. Yes, definitely, there are so many things that you go through as when you were growing up, and how your parents didn't understand you in many ways.
Yeah.
I mean, they've given me everything, whatever I am today is because of my mommy and papa, but there are things they didn't understood. So what I try to do is I try to work on that, and I try to see that I don't do the same mistakes. But then, you know, you end up doing something which is not the way your child wants you to be, and it's going to be that.
Have you seen him with Raha?
I've seen him FaceTiming her all the time.
Aww.
I've never met her, but even while I was coming back from Delhi, he was there. His daughter is such a cutie. She's grown. She's 1 year old. Imagine the film started with his daughter being born, and now she's 1 year old. I mean, he's been through so much through this film, because you see the film, you see the promos, you realize the kind of character he's played. It has so much of complexity. It has so much, you know, it's like a growth of a child itself in the movie. And to have in his own personal life, having his first child and experiencing the joy of it. I think he should be talking more about this. But
No, I was going to ask him, what do you say on FaceTime to your 1 year old, yeah?
No, she's responding. She's locking eyes. If you tell her I love you, she does this. She gives flying kisses. Boss, there's no bigger joy. Do you have children?
No.
Do you want to have children?
Wow, did not know this was going to turn into my interview. Maybe.
Yeah, okay. But I'm just saying it's the most joyful thing in life. So highly recommend it to all you guys. Have lots of children. Let's increase our population.
Yeah. Let's have more children, guys. Talia ho jao. Okay, but we have to call one more person on stage to join us. I think you called him earlier as well. And this movie, this vision wouldn't be possible without him. So ladies and gentlemen, with a big round of applause, please welcome on stage the producer of Animal, Mr. Bhushan Kumar.
Janice, don't get naughty with him, okay?
I'm definitely going to get naughty with him. First question is only naughty.
Saving me.
He's saving you. He's not saving you. He's actually telling me और का. You have no idea.
Correct, ऐसे correct.
He called you Mr. Moneybags and also. See, I would never disrespect you, madam.
वो तो हर रोज बोलते रहते हैं मुझे कि ना
उसको
प्रमोशन
उनके सर पैसे दे दो सर प्लीज और थोड़े पैसे दे दो
Okay, I want to know why does everyone call you Bhushan Kumar G?
आई डोंट नो व्हाई मींस क्यों इतना बड़ा
सर आपका काम इतना बड़ा है सर आई एम गिविंग यू रिस्पेक्ट
Is it okay if I call you Mr. B?
या
Can I call you Mr. B?
बेटर
Yeah, Mr. B is a good one.
Mr. B is cool also, right?
But then Mr. Big B will feel bad. There's only one Mr. B, no?
मैं mic फेंकूं.
You can call him BK. But then BKC might feel bad.
यार रणबीर कपूर के लिए तालियां हो जाए. उसको ही करना चाहिए था यार.
तालियों की बहुत भीख मांगती है आजकल.
I know.
तालियां, तालियां.
तालियां. क्या करें? स्टेज पर आके यही करना पड़ता है. मैं आपके प्रोड्यूसर से सवाल पूछूं? पूछ लूं? Okay, but Mr. B, don't worry, don't look there. Don't look there. You look at all your amazing musicians, okay, who are sitting in the crowd, and they've come together to make this fantastic album that we're all loving so much. Tell me about how is it that you put this together, and what has the response on Spotify been like?
First of all, this is normally whenever we produce any film, I personally get involved in music so that the music is commercially also and it goes well with the screenplay of the film. And I have done a movie before with Sandeep Banga, and we did Kabir Singh together.
Yeah.
And that time means I wanted some music in it, and he was reluctant because of the situation and all. But then we came to an agreement on the music, and then we had a great album. Everybody knows that. But this time, means again we had that kind of agreement. Means he said, "Sir, I will make the music, and if you don't like it, then we will change it and we will make something else." But I want to put this on record. This time I didn't put any of our input from T-Series. It was the entire album was fully conceived with various talented music composers and lyricists we have here today by Sandeep Banga Reddy. And not even one song was there which I was able to say, please Sandeep, please change it, it's not sounding well, or it is going with the film but it is not going with, it's not that commercial enough which will work outside of the film.
Yeah.
So hats off to him. He has worked very hard to make. It's very difficult to make an album which is a combination of both, which works in the film, take your screenplay forward, and at the same time outside the film also it works big time, which is happening today with our songs. So all the music composers, lyricists, various music composers and lyricists involved in the making of the album with Sandeep Banga, means they have done a fabulous job. Once we will see.
Big round of applause. You guys are going to hear all the songs tonight, so I hope you're excited. But I also, you've got your two leading men on stage, so I want to ask you a question about, give me an adjective to describe Ranbir. Like now you've known him for a while, right? If you had to think of one adjective for Ranbir Kapoor.
He's, like Bobby sir also said, he is very down to earth. He's always available.
Sir, हमेशा इतनी अच्छी चीजें मत बोलो.
बुरी चीज क्या बोलूं?
कुछ
You can give a naughty adjective also, चलेगा.
बुरी चीज बोलूं?
बुरी चीज बोल दो सर.
क्या?
मैं आपको बोलूं क्या बुरी चीज बोलूं?
हाँ?
अब बोलो ना कुछ भी.
Sir, आपको सब
आपके मन में
आपको कोई कुछ नहीं
He's
बोलेगा.
very nice. He's very good to me always. Not in this film, but I know him from long time, and means I had a very good relation with his dad also. so I know him very well. Means I actually have seen him before he got launched also. So he's very nice person.
I tried very hard, but he said only nice things about you. And of course,
And with Bobby sir, so I have a family relation with his brother, with Sunny sir, and with Dharamji, of course. Means they literally call me by my nickname. So we have a very long standing relation with the family.
सर आपका निकनेम क्या है?
Nanno.
नन्नू.
वापस से बोलना?
नन्नू. Yeah, that's his nickname.
I'm not sure how to react. आपको अच्छा लगता है ये nickname?
नहीं मेरा है तो अच्छा तो लगेगा ही ना.
सबके
आपको
nickname
कैसे
होते
लगता
हैं.
है?
सबके
जानू जी आप बोलो ना एक बार. बोल.
Yeah, Nannu.
Harshad, you want me? He's really in a mood tonight. Okay, but no, we're here to talk about anime. We're here to talk about the music. The music is doing so well.
हम ऑडियंस को ज़्यादा पका रहे हैं. You should just play the
नहीं,
music now.
नहीं पका रहे. और क्या रणबीर कपूर आपको पका रहा है?
नहीं लेकिन आप पका रहे हो.
म्यूजिक के बारे में बात कर ले.
Yes.
फेवरेट ट्रैक बताते हो क्यों?
Favorite
फेवरेट ट्रैक ऑन द एल्बम.
on the album. हर गाना फेवरेट है.
हाँ.
क्योंकि हर फिल्म में सब लोग बोलते हैं तो
हाँ.
मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगा. But I would say since your favorite track is the Bibrag single, I would say mine would be. Can I take two?
Yeah,
I
of
would
course.
say Arjun
अपनी
Bailey,
फिल्म है.
Arjun Bailey and Satranga.
I love Satranga.
Arjun Bailey is also my favorite song. And the best part about this music is that even in the different languages it's come out in, they sound like a different song altogether and they sound so nice. That's the best part about the music of this. In every language, the song is so powerful. So as they say, music doesn't need language, it just works.
उफ, और उसका जो वीडियो है, जो काटा है, उफ, उफ, उफ. सर आपका फेवरेट गाना?
मेरी पूरी एल्बम है क्योंकि नहीं सीरियसली बिकॉज जितने भी आर्टिस्ट सब बैठे हैं एंड दे आर ऑल माय फेवरेट एंड दे आर ऑल वर्क विद मी इन सो मेनी सॉन्ग्स सो एवरीबडी हैज डन अ ग्रेट जॉब सो आई कांट टेक एनीबडी वंस नेम.
सर वी हैव चैट बैकस्टेज कि इतना पॉलिटिकली करेक्ट
नहीं पॉलिटिकली नहीं रियली एवरीबडी हैज वर्क यू इफ यू लिसन टू द सॉन्ग्स every songs have different kind of thing means they can have just one or two songs but I can't have that.
That is
my entire album.
Very smart as a producer. But ladies and gentlemen, Ranbir Kapoor.
There is one more track which is not released yet, which I guess you guys will be debuting for the first time on stage, which is track का नाम क्या होगा? पहले भी मैं.
पहले भी मैं.
So पहले भी मैं is also an amazing track. I know
Vishal, yeah.
Vishal is here. So I'm really looking forward.
Vishal Mishra, everyone, please, sir. All right.
So everybody out here are premium members?
Is everyone a premium member?
But आजकल they are asking for membership every month. You have to put in your.
Where is the Spotify team? Spotify team, show yourselves. Ranbir has questions about why he has to pay for his
No,
membership.
I'm fine because
Oh,
I'm
you're fine with
I'm
it.
on Alia's family plan. तो मेरा free आ जाता है. I'm just saying कि she has to put in her details every month. तो can he? Is this a India problem or is this a Spotify problem?
Hi Spotify, where are you? Hi Spotify. Go annual, they're saying. Ranbir, please pay for the entire year.
Yeah, I've gone annual.
Huh?
I've done the annual thing.
Oh, you have. Okay.
So get an annual payment.
Can I come on your family plan?
Yeah, you can. That's the best part. We live in a joint family out here.
सर आप annual plan पे हो? आप annual Spotify premium plan पे हो?
नहीं
अच्छा.
because I have to see the many ads and all which are coming in so that's why I'm not.
Okay guys, let's. Ranbir is feeling very hot and so is Bob.